Hi everybody, a very yes, good afternoon, good morning, namaskar, sat sri akal, how you doing? I'm Jashin Kapani, voila, Jule. I'm Jashin Kapani, I'm the founder and CEO of I'm Decor Design. We are in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions where we have a lot of products which are quite nicely designed and finished and presented before people who want to buy those. So we have, let me take you through the larger ones first, the bigger ones which are following the components and elements of any space, like an office, like a studio, like a bar, like a hotel, like a banquet, like a co-working, like a restaurant, a home, and any space where you require interior products. So we have furniture, which is sofas, we have beds, we have tables, which are for discussion and boardroom and homes and stuff. We have racks, we have center tables, we have consoles, and we have seats, which is chairs, and tables as well, which are in semi-precious stone, which are in wood, which are in wicker. So looking at the trends and stuff, we also have something which is in cane now. So there are chairs, there are lots of other items available in the bigger ones, and there are also chandeliers and lamps and stuff. Then we have the smaller products. The smaller products are quality and some international products like this one. So this is one of my personal favorite. It's actually a semi-precious stone, so this is an imported one, so that's why it's looking amazing, and see the work on it and stuff. So this is actually a Brazilian stone which is also available in India. We have the Indian market also catering to this and stuff and making these. So there are colorful ones in different colors of these, which is in green, blue, we have purple, we have pink, we have natural white, which is something like this, a see-through thing. So there are lots of items made in this, which is like a table. There's also furniture, which is highly technical, so it takes time to make those, because this kind of this kind of a product, which is in the form of a sofa or a furniture, will have to be technically very nicely treated and stuff like that. There are lamps in those also. There are hanging chandeliers in those. Then there are tables in these. There are chairs in this, like I just said. You have picture frames. Then there are some gifting boxes, which are for men and women, where you can keep tissues. You can have sanitary items placed in those. Those are great for gifting, where you can give away, like chocolates. You can have wine put in those boxes, which are specifically for products like those. You have chess boxes. So chess boxes are only two, three people do it. These are not the kinds that you see made out of wood and stuff. These are out of specific material and stuff, and they are in aluminium and metal. And there's a table where we just did this for someone on request, because there's a minimum quantity on that as well, which is normally preferred by men and lovers of chess. So we have a table which is inspired from New York. I shared that before. So the table will be basically a knight at the bottom, and you have a chess table on it, and you have glass, and you have metallic knights kept on those. So this is really preferred by international clients and stuff like that. So lots of other items, because like I explained to you, there are smaller ones for homes. So in homes you also have soda makers, you have cutlery, so a lot of items. So what is this message all about? The message is all about enjoying your weekend and making the best of it. Everybody has 24 hours. We're all doing different roles, and we do things differently. We want to feel different and stuff. So this is a reminder that take it easy, slow down, engage in offline activities like music, theater. Get back to the fun zone, because we've done enough in the weekend stuff. I mean, Friday I was like, shit, more than 6 days have gone, so it's a Saturday today, so enjoy. And then of course you can kind of get back to your sports and golf and swimming. The best part about summers, you can catch up with your friends over coffee and stuff. But remember a very important factor, which is kimono, that's cleanliness, tidying up. A lot of people use the weekend also to do cleaning and stuff, and I've shared this before. It's a very useful topic because it is covered in Feng Shui, it's covered in interior design, it's covered in mindfulness and feeling good also, and attracting energies and feeling good and great, which everybody wants to do. You want to be in good energy. You have so much to do. You got to drive around. You got to meet people. Then you have health concerns. Then you have to be in events. You have to make presentations. You have global decisions to take and stuff. You have presentations to present and meet. And then you have to stay great and feeling awesome because that's the way you want to be, and you want to carry the same energy into your house and stuff. So how does that happen? You take a look at my next video. I'll let you know how it happens for you. Okay.